Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. As always, we are doing something absolutely crazy today. In this video, we're gonna figure out what really matters. Is it the software you edit in, or the person operating it? To find this out, I've gathered 4 After Effects editors and 4 Alight Motion editors. Before we continue, there's something for you guys too in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now let's meet the editors from the After Effects team, who, by the way, are about to get cooked by my Alight Motion squad. First up, Bhavya FX. Whenever this guy drops an edit, people just go crazy. With over 40,000 subs, oh, he's definitely gonna cook. Next up, Brawly Edits. Not gonna lie, this guy's edits are so smooth and clean. Then we've got Ritik FX, 4K plus subscribers, and his transitions, just nice. And last but not least, Guju Dio. Amazing text animations and edits. This guy's got skills. Now, if you are thinking AE editors will beat us easily, that's not gonna happen, because I am in a Alight Motion squad.
Oh, bro. Hell no, man. What the fuck?
Let's introduce the Alight Motion team. First up, Dex Edits, with a massive 127,000 subscribers. And honestly, these numbers speak for themselves. Next, Predator X, the winner of my previous editing competition. Yeah, he's back. Third one, Hank7, solid editor, great edits overall. And the fourth competitor is me. Yeah, I know, I'm an After Effects editor, but on this channel I upload Alight Motion tutorials. So I decided to represent the Alight Motion team and cook the AE editors. In future, I will pick some editors from different software. So don't forget to drop your software name in which you edit and how long you have been using that software in comments section. Now, back to the competition. To be honest, this competition has no rules. Editors have full freedom to cook hard. But here's the twist. I've helped the Alight Motion editors get access to After Effects CC2 because AE's biggest advantage is its quality and color correction. And now that both teams have that power, this is going to be a fair and epic battle. Now for you guys, in my previous editing challenges, you guys were commenting like, I can do better. I can easily solo all the editors. Say less, prove it. Here's what you do. Make your best edit, tag me in the description, and don't forget to use the hashtag for Aditya Edits in your description or title. I'll be picking some of your edits to feature in future videos. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. That way I know you guys are vibing with this kind of content. All right, without wasting any more time, let's spin the wheel and see whose edit we're watching first.
Say my name.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the cook. I'm the man who killed Gus Fring. Say my name.
Heisenberg.
You're goddamn right.
Bro really cooked. That color correction, those animations and shakes were on point. Not gonna lie, the clip selection was great too. Overall, bro really cooked hard.
No.
The shakes and transitions were great, and the remake of the time slice transition was solid too. But the edit was only 5 seconds long. That's the only drawback.
people are running from.
I possess things that you will never understand.
You don't even possess your own men. $1,000 to the man who kills him and sets me free.
What are you gonna say now?
They are even bigger fools than you.
No doubt.
The law will find you. Already, the dogs are on the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. You are so right. They are good at smelling filth, huh? So filth has got to be disposed of. Our friends, the Patriots, gonna come and rescue you. You little maggot. You inbred trash. Call them now. You call them. Soldier, you and your friends gonna tuck tail and run off. Run! All your men, all your money. You weren't no match for a bunch of pumpkins. We know who you are, and nobody knows who you are.
Bro really did not hold back. Predator went all out to cook the AE editors. The parallel transitions, shakes, and text animations were buttery smooth.
And Ryan Gosling, thank you for making me laugh and for always raising the bar.
So my answer to that is I'm 40 years old and I know myself now. And so if you love me, and if you don't love me, that's your loss.
My answer to this edit is, it's an absolute masterpiece. The zooms were super smooth, and the character transitions were nice too. Brawley actually cooked here.
Moleque vai, é DJ moleque bom. Ele tem experiência. Porra, esse gay moleque. Vai, é DJ que vai.
The intro and transitions were absolutely great, and the video has a great flow overall.
There is one person who stands all above them.
You know nothing of the bottomless malice within the human heart.
Here comes the Dex.
Damn, that edit was clean. The transitions and zooms were peak. Nah, bro, I can't even put it into words. The edit was absolutely peak.
Ready, fight.
Bro, that's actually insane. The fight clips in the intro were mind-blowing. This is exactly what I expected from him. Now let's check out my edit.
You stole my father's love. And you let him die? Because he didn't turn in the freak? Isn't that right?
Damn it! I can't move my body!
Switch! Get the fuck out of the way! I can't see! There are cars there, motherfucker! Get out of the way! You gonna cry?
You guys can't lie, the edit was awesome. Especially considering this was my only Alight Motion edit in the last 11 months. And if you guys want the XML file of my edit, then just drop 3,000 likes on this video. Now comes the crucial part. Since I've participated, I can't be the judge. That's why I'll leave the ranking decision to you guys. So leave your ranking in the comments and don't forget to mention whose edit you like the most. And I'll be eagerly waiting to see all you guys' awesome edits, so keep that in mind. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!